Finally, done cultivating my okra area with watermelon and cherry banana. Whew. Finally, look at my watermelon. You're growing so fast. The chili, the okra, chili. Where's my chili? Here, my chili. Watermelon growing so fast. mm. And the kubo here, there. Ay, pagod match. Beautiful.